All right, guys. So I got a couple of ways for you to make $100 per day online. Okay. For the most part, you're not going to need any upfront money for this stuff. Okay. Get started right away because most of the stuff is free. Okay. Like I said, you're not going to need any upfront costs or money or anything like that. Um, just a little bit of time and maybe do a little bit of research. But these are great ways that you can make $100 per day online. And like I said, you can get started right away and you can see results pretty quickly. Okay. So, with that being said, let's get into my first recommendation. And on the screen, we have Canva. Okay. Canva is a platform that allows you to create things like thumbnails, business cards, ebook covers, certificates, and things like that. Okay. So if you get a little bit creative, okay, you can use a site like Fiverr, or um, you can post designs and stuff like that on social media platforms like Instagram. Uh, you can send people invoices, uh, and you can provide a service for people. Okay, again, people need thumbnails for YouTube. People need designs for their business cards. Okay, people who are offering ebooks and stuff like that, they need designs for their ebooks. Okay, you know, you have a lot of options here of what you can use this platform for. You just need to, think outside the box a little bit and, you know, be a little bit creative. Okay. Canva is free. Okay. There is another platform out there. It escapes me at the minute, but that one you have to pay for. They changed it to a pay structure. With Canva, you can use for free. Okay. So if you look on the screen, presentations, certificates, business cards, YouTube thumbnails, again, okay, things that people need for their businesses, um, and you can provide a service creating and designing this stuff for them. If we go into, let's say, business card real quick, just so I can show you, okay, they have templates. They have plenty of templates, and all this stuff is free. You don't have to pay for it. Templates, you've got elements that you can add. Okay, you can add text. Okay, I mean, there's just all sorts of things that you can add, okay, and create. And it's a great way for you to put yourself out there, build a little business for yourself. Okay, and like I said, you can get started right away. Fiverr, you got freelancer.com. If you don't want to use those platforms, like I said, you can use something like Facebook or Instagram. Okay, it's really up to you how you want to put it out there, but you have the ability to put it out there numerous ways, and you set your own price. Okay, so it's easy for you to make $100 a day with doing something like that. Again, you're providing services that people need. Okay, again, you can get started right away. It's free to do, free to get started. Okay, something else that you can do, all right, is build websites and stuff for people. See, this is something that I do, and I'll show you um, some examples. Okay, so when it loads up, this is one that I put together for somebody who's in the carpentry and doing a lot of housework. Okay, just something that I put together for them real quick. They didn't need nothing too extravagant, just something simple to, um, so they can show what services they can provide. All right, and here's another one. This is a website that I put together for somebody for skip. What is it? Skip tracing. Yeah, called Skip Tracing. And again, a simple website. And you can make money building websites and stuff for people. Okay, I use Wix. Okay, because I know these people only need a simple one-page website to promote their services. Okay, so again, you can do the same thing. All right, and you build the website, they approve it, and then you hand it off to them, and they can deal with how they want to get it hosted and everything else. Okay, so this is what I do. Okay, and this is something that you can do as well. All right, like I said, I use Wix. Okay, and Wix is easy. You can do it from scratch, or they have an AI website editor that'll put everything together for you. All right, it's up to you. You don't have to use Wix. You can use WordPress. You can use Weebly, Squarespace. It's up to you. Okay, whatever you feel comfortable with. Wix is free. Okay, so You can get in here, build the website for free. You can show what the website looks like, how it functions, everything is free. Okay, so it's a great way for you to get started doing making money online that way. And again, you could, it's very flexible with how you want to get paid for providing a service. Like again, a lot of people are building their businesses online. People are building mom and pop businesses, brick and mortar stores. They need to be updated with a website, some way for people to contact them or look them up, things like that. And it's another way for you to make money. Again, no upfront costs. Wix is free, so you have that option. All right. Another option that you have, this is a mix of online and offline, is selling stuff. Okay, if you have stuff around the house that you don't need anymore, you can sell it on a site like Mercari or the Facebook Marketplace. Okay, using these platforms, eBay, Amazon, it's up to you. Okay. You also have apps like Let It Go or OfferUp and things like that. You have different options for selling your stuff online. Okay. If you don't feel like that you have stuff that you can sell at home, then the option that you do have is you can check out like the Android or the Apple App Store. Okay. And you can see right here, yard sale treasure, garage sale, yard sale garage. You get where I'm going with this? You can download these apps, right? And you can check out your local area, wherever you live at. If you have access to other areas, you can check these areas out, see what's being sold in yard and garage sales. Okay. They're not going to be that expensive. Okay. Buy some stuff up. Okay. Put it online and sell it at a higher price. Okay. All you need to really do is like go on these platforms, okay, and see what's selling. Okay, see what's popular, because they pretty much have popular tabs. See what's popular, okay, see what's selling, and then see if you can go out to these garage and these yard sales and find the stuff that's similar to the stuff that you found in like the trending or popular tabs or whatever like that. And then go to the yard sales, buy it, and then sell it for a higher price on one of these platforms. Okay. This one is probably going to take the most work. You will need a little bit of money. Okay. If you're not selling your own stuff. Now, most of us we are hoarders. We have a bunch of stuff that we don't use. We just keep around. Okay. So maybe you check your house, see if you have any old things that you're not using. All right. Sell it. Pocket the cash. Don't use it. Okay. Go to these yard sales. Okay. See if you can find stuff at these yard sales that you can buy. Okay. Buy that stuff. Sell that at a higher price on one of these platforms. Okay. And just rinse and repeat. Okay. And you should be making money in no time. All right. Just be smart about it. Be a little creative. Be a little smart. Don't be afraid to venture off and find different places. Like I said, there's tons of apps here. You can check Craigslist. Okay. You have plenty of resources here to find stuff that you can sell and make money off of. Okay, guys? So that's all I have for today's video. I just want to show you a couple of ways that you can make $100 per day. Again, this stuff is easy for the most part for you to set up. A lot of this stuff you don't need money to get started with. Okay, just a little bit of time, maybe a little bit of research, and a little bit of creativity, and you can be on your way to making $100 per day. Okay, like I said, again, this is stuff that's not hard to get started with. You don't need a whole lot of things to actually get started. You don't need a lot of tools and resources and all that stuff. You don't need a lot of stuff. Okay, so that's all I got. Like this video if you like it. Share this out with anybody who you think may find this video useful. Well, trust me, people, in the time that we have now, there is a lot of people who are struggling and they're looking for ways to make a little bit of extra cash and put some money in their pockets. Okay, so send this and share this out with people who may need that type of help. All right. Also, if you're interested, down below, it'll be the first link down below. This is my #1 way to make money online. This is my #1 recommendation. Okay, so if you're looking to seriously build a business online, you can go ahead and you can check that link out as well. All right, that's all I got. I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Take care.